Can you call your boyfriend and tell him that you like sleeping with dogs?
I know. I can't tell my boyfriend that joke is too expensive. I can't tell my boyfriend that
Why?
because I love him and I don't want to joke his feelings.
Oh, God, when? Oh, God. Okay. Can you call your mom and tell her that you like sleeping with dogs, that they service you gone, that when they finish with you like this, you breathe heavily.
Yeah, I can tell my mom. That is my mom. So I know my mom have already given birth to me. So at least I care more about my boyfriend than my mom.
Emotional, damn it!
So I can still tell my mom.
You
So
care about your boyfriend more than your mom that spent 9 months.
yes, because she has already given birth to me. I'm moving on with my own boyfriend with new life. So instead I'll tell my mom. Tell my
Wow,
boyfriend.
amazing. Your mother must not hear this. Someone that suffered to bring you up in. Okay. Oh, yeah. Please call your mom.
Alright.
Call your mom and tell her that. You
Hey,
see, you have to
wahala.
describe it well.
I don't have credit in this one. Hello? Fine. Mommy, how market? Alright. I want to tell you something, something important. Mommy, I just want to tell you that I sleep with dog. And I love the way the dog service me. I love the dog more than my boyfriend. So I just let me tell you. Mommy.
Why do you do that for me? Why do you do that? You want to kill me? Hey, this guy want to kill me. Why do you do that? I don't want to kill me. Eh? If I'm managing to find
Mommy,
out my
because
dad,
mommy, hold on. And the dog is very nice and sweet to me. Mo like ajẹ́ yẹn bó ṣe service mi, mo like ẹ̀, ó máa ń dùn mọ́ mi. Màámi, màá pè é padà, màá pè é padà.
So, if I open the box now and it's stupid, what will happen?
I'll be very angry. I will just change it for you. Nah. As e dey hot. But if you come be something nice, all good, glory to God then.
This is super story, a life of strife and sorrow.
Madam, come now.